In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the phone system in GoHighLevel, A2P 10DLC registration tutorial. Before we jump in, here's the quick why behind this. A2P 10DLC stands for Application-to-Person Messaging over standard 10-digit long code phone numbers. In the United States, carriers require businesses to register so texts are delivered reliably and stay compliant. GoHighLevel makes this straightforward through its built-in Trust Center. Start inside your GoHighLevel account with the right location selected and make sure you have admin permissions. From the main sidebar, open Settings. This is your control room for everything related to your account and location, and it's where phone features live. If you don't see this option, you may be viewing a sub-account without the correct permissions, so double-check your access or ask your account owner to enable it. Inside Settings, choose Phone System. This area manages your numbers, call routing, and messaging configurations. Think of it as the hub that will connect your phone numbers to compliant messaging once registration is complete. If you're setting this up for the first time, take a second to confirm you're in the correct location, so the registration applies to the right business. Next, open the Trust Center. The Trust Center centralizes verification and compliance tasks, including business identity checks and messaging registration. It's designed to walk you through what carriers look for, reduce rejections, and keep your sending reputation healthy. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a second. Sometimes the compliance modules need to pull the latest status from the providers. Within the Trust Center, navigate to A2P messaging, also labeled SMS, and click Start Registration. This launches the guided workflow for A2P 10DLC. From here, GoHighLevel will prompt you for details about your business and your messaging use case. While we won't complete those forms in this tutorial, a quick tip to stay efficient. Have your legal business name, tax ID, business address, website, support contact, and a few sample messages ready. Keeping your brand and campaign descriptions accurate, non-promotional when required, and aligned with your actual messaging will speed approval and protect your deliverability. Avoid submitting placeholder data or test content, and keep any sensitive credentials out of descriptions. That's the full navigation path. Go to Settings, open Phone System, enter the Trust Center, then start the A2P messaging registration. Once you finish the guided steps, monitor your status in the same Trust Center area. If something looks stuck, refresh the page or revisit later, as carrier approvals can take time. Thanks for watching. Follow these clicks and you'll be set up for compliant, reliable texting inside GoHighLevel.